Welcome to another video. Would you like to introduce the video? What are we doing?
Making slime.
Yep, so today we've decided to do a slime video. So we've got the slime kit here.
Right, so glue first.
Okay, so it looks pretty simple, pretty straightforward. There's the instructions there. And so it says you pour out an entire bottle of 5 of clear school glue
I'm going to do just
into the container.
4 slimes. I'm going to do 4.
Okay, so do the whole thing. Just take the.
No.
Why? It says to take the whole. Do the whole thing.
No, I'm doing 4 slimes. So I'm going to do half.
Are you sure that's a good idea? What if like all the ratios are off?
But look at all those cups. Okay.
I think you should take the lid off. Make it go out faster. Yeah.
Fine,
What's
I'll do
up?
all.
Yeah, do the whole lot. Oh. Plop, 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 plop. Add your choice of glitter glue pen.
Wait, not yet. I'm going to do purple.
Is it purple? Red and blue. And put the mic on. Just a second. I forgot to attach the mic to my. See if that makes a difference. Hopefully it does. It's supposed to.
Going to red.
How's it going?
They just give us a mixing thing.
A mixing thing?
Yeah.
Something to stir it.
Yeah.
We'll just use this, eh?
Okay. I think I need more.
Yeah, I think you do too.
Take that off. Yay.
Yeah, squeeze it all out. I'll get this one.
Can I do that one?
Oh no. Now my hands are all slippery. Let's go like this.
Give it fast.
You just hold the top and then squeeze down it. Oh, that's why, eh? Because this one's all gooey.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's probably gooey now too.
Yeah. Take risk. But that's more good.
So, do people still like... Here's the debate. Do people still like slime videos?
Yes, they do.
Because when she wanted to buy this, I asked her that because I think they're pretty old and you know a lot of people have done them. So so comment down below and give us your take so we can get to the bottom. Yeah, so we can get to the bottom of this debate and yeah, give us your take.
And then we take the money out of my account if we don't.
Yeah, no. But on the other hand, if you're watching this video, then you probably do like slime videos. I don't know. Personally, I think they're old and outdated, but she's young and she watches more videos than me, so she knows.
I actually just wanted to.
Yeah, I figured that was the case. Just tricking me into buying it, saying, "Oh, but it's for a video."
Yeah, it is a story video.
But hey, it's a video. It's all good.
And it's fun.
And it's fun, yeah.
Alright, I think that's enough. Alright, now
My hands are sticky,
the
man.
whole thing
Should've
activated.
brought some wet wipes.
But we won't do the whole thing because
No, we should. Because It says to do a whole thing.
Yeah, but
Because it's got to be the same quantity as the...
yeah, I know. I'm the same.
Yeah. That's the magic bullet. There we go.
Maybe if it was water.
Mix until mixture gets harder to mix and slime begins to form. Oh, this is much easier. Like, we did a video like this a while ago, and we just bought all the individual ingredients,
Yeah,
and so yeah, it wasn't.
good slime.
Yeah, we sort of had to Google all the ratios and all that.
Did we?
Yeah, we did. We actually watched another video about how to do it. If I remember correctly, yeah. So now, mix it heaps.
Yeah.
Yeah. So as you can see, it is starting to go all sloppy. Can you see? Yeah, look at that. Oosh.
Can you feel it for me?
Yeah. So it is working. It is disgusting.
But if it's just like this, it's not proper slime.
It's gotta mix all that liquid in. Oh, we're gonna add some more colours. Should we? Or no? No, just keep it as this. Purpley. Purple is
Our favorite.
our favourite colour. So
The whole family's
it's our jam.
The whole
Wow.
family's favorite.
Yeah. That is a great colour. Purple and black. It's best.
I didn't.
Oh, look at that.
I like the color too.
Mm.
Do people call it aqua or aqua?
Aqua, I think is the technical term.
No. No, please.
Slime fight.
There's actually,
That actually worked pretty well, eh?
but it's sticky.
Look at that. Sticky. It is quite sticky. But slime is pretty sticky. I mean,
Yeah, but
slime is the worst stuff straight up to buy for your kids. Like,
no painters.
I don't know, eh? Like, slime gets into stuff and it's so hard to get off.
So it's paint.
Like, I think every kid that, like when slime came out, I don't know if it, well, I only discovered it when she was born, but I don't know when it came out. But I remember, like, everyone would buy slime for everyone, you know, everyone's kids on their birthdays, and just the parents' reaction to it was just like, why?
I remember we used to go to the store shop all the time and get that black slime, that black jelly slime.
Mm.
And I used to always spill it. We got it like 4 times. And I would always spill it until we realized I was too young for slime.
Yeah. Well, there you have it, folks. That is our slime.
Hey, we still have one more. We still have one more to make.
Do we? Oh, true. So I'll stick around then, and we will make another one.
It was really
Yeah.
sticky.
Yeah.
Yes, go
So you just gotta, just sort of massage it a bit, and then it goes nice and firm.
It becomes your friend.
Yeah. That's it. Oh, there it is.
And we'll
Well,
do the test
yeah.
after.
Oh,
You actually put your mouth on that.
just the outside of my mouth. Alright, let's do another one. What colour is this one going to be?
Should we do
Green and silver. Could be a good.
in gold?
In gold? Oh, yeah, we'll just do the whole lot, eh?
It might turn brown. Maybe just green.
Green and silver.
But then gold's left out.
And then we'll do a little bit of gold.
If it turns
I reckon once it's gone harder, we'll put the gold on. So the gold stays on the outside.
Yeah.
It doesn't get all mixed into it.
all of that. my scratching.
Be careful.
The lid doesn't stay off.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you do
Do green.
green, I'll do silver. Wait. Let's go.
Go.
It's a race. It's a race.
Because yours works better.
Come on. Just gotta put your back into it, Cass. So while you're there, while we got you there,
No.
what happened?
It fell in.
Yeah, it'd be very nice if you could give us a like
Subscribe.
and subscribe. If you don't know where it is, it's like
They know where it is.
maybe there. Like, would it be there?
I think I'm
Yeah, same actually. Oh, get that last little dribble. Get in there.
okay.
There we go.
There we go.
Right, now we got.
I like this. Set table.
It's a good smooth table though, so it won't. Oh, that's a cool colour. What do y'all think? That's good. That's nice.
I think that's enough mixing.
You reckon? Okay, and then. Ooh, looks like bogeys. Sorry.
It feels like there's a wire going through this or something.
A wire.
Yeah, from like the glitter. My scrunchie!
Oh, did you want to get the gold?
The gold.
Yeah.
Booyah.
Because this is all stuck to my hands now. I got a message.
We got it activated.
Oh, did we not add the activator?
No.
Oh, what a muppet. Oh my gosh. Lucky you're here. I'll be like, hey, why is it not working? Okay. Yeah. Oh, right. Anyway.
The whole thing?
Yep, you do the whole thing. Oh, that's better.
Why is it not working? This kind of looks like candy floss.
Candy floss.
What do we call it again? Lollipops?
We call it candy floss. Americans call it cotton candy.
Oh, don't we call it cotton?
No. You probably do because you like to talk American around.
No. Americans call it candy floss and we call it fun candy. Because candy. Oh, this Alright.
Now we massage it.
Can't massage it. We don't have to activate it.
Oh, yeah, that is good. Good, look at that. Oh, now add the gold.
Oh, yeah, go. To that one, not to this one.
Get off me!
Wait, that one's actually really good. That one's like almost slime.
Yeah, just break this off. Oh, look at that. Magic. Can you see those? Hey?
Okay.
Get out of there! There we go.
Now let's massage.
Yeah, bro, get that in there.
I'll do this.
Oh, golden.
Golden.
Can you hear it?
Mine's not played with enough.
Sounds greasy.
Mine's not played with enough.
Yeah. Look at that. Golden hands.
We could sell our hands.
Sell what?
Our hands. 'Cause they're
Sell our
golden.
hands, yeah.
They're golden.
Heaps.
Who would want hands actually?
A lot of people,
Somebody that cut their hand off?
maybe. Yeah, that's pretty good, bruv.
Mine's turning good this one.
Now we just need to get some little containers. Put them in.
Mine feels like, you know how it felt like before we added the gold? That's how mine feels like. Mine's more like putty, not slime. This one's more like putty.
Make masks. Give it a shot like that.
Excuse me, sir, did you sneeze?
So,
Wait, can we swap? Feel that one? That's putty. That's what putty feels like.
yeah, true. Yeah, it's a bit more. Maybe you didn't get enough. Maybe too much activator.
It's either not enough or too much.
Yeah, it shouldn't break like that, eh?
I guess I have putty now.
Putty. Wonder if it bounces.
Let's see if it's actually putty.
Oh, just gonna stick it. No. Stick to stuff. Chuck it out the window.
What was that? I just went like that.
So we made some slime,
And
some
putty.
slime, and some putty.
This test.
Oh yeah, the
See
stretchy
how far
test.
it takes.
Yeah, look at that one. Oosh.
Yeah. Alright, now the bubble test. Oh wait, no.
Did you hear that one? I was like,
The splat test.
oh.
No, you don't check it. You just drop it. You
Oh yeah,
just
this
drop
one
it.
splats it. Oh.
Alright, now the bubble test. The last test.
Didn't we do bubble test?
Bubble test is where you blow a bubble. Yeah, check.
Yeah.
Like, breathe it back in. So you go like this,
Oh,
and then you go like that. No! You let it drop down and then you go.
oh yeah, I
So
got it, I
you
got
go
it.
like this.
I got you. Get off me!
What was that?
It's hard, man.
Like this. And then you go
Oh yeah, I see.
and try and make a bubble.
It's good slime, alright? It's not the slime's fault.
This is probably the best slime I've had.
That's good, eh? Alright, so thank you for watching.
You got it on my shirt. Now it's in my
Oh,
beard.
no. And on that note, we've been Playful Videos. You guys have been awesome. Tune in for next time, whatever we do. I mean, tune in next time. Until then, peace out.